Hello traders, my name is Dmitry Kucher, head of online Forex Academy of FIBO Group. For over 20 years I've been practicing trader and investor in financial markets such as Forex, stock market and cryptocurrency market. I clearly understand that trading is one of the most profitable activities. That is why I'm convinced that your result in trading directly depends on your theoretical and practical training. Knowledge not only of the basics of the functioning of the financial market, but also the presence of long-term practical experience in applying this knowledge is the key to success in trading. I'm a supporter of the fact that fundamental factors are the basis in the movement of the rates of the world currency and other financial instruments. News, events, publication of statistical data give impetus to price movement, and technical analysis convert this movement into the appropriate pictures of the market. Over the years of my work in Forex, I have developed a number of my own strategies which are based both on the use of only fundamental analysis and on the use of fundamental and technical analysis in combination. Each of these strategies is applicable to any type of market and almost any deposit. The average monthly profitability for these strategies varies from 10 to 20% subject to the necessary risk management rules. Today I pay more attention not so much to trading as investing. The Forex market is so attractive because you can choose what suits you best. You can trade yourself, you can invest in other traders, and of course, you can take in management of other investors' funds if you feel confident in yourself. The choice is always yours. I'll try to do my best to make you confident in every step you take towards achieving a positive results, whether in trading or investing. Good luck to everyone and welcome to FIBO Group.